Hello guys, welcome back to the next lecture of cryptography. And in today's session, we are going to discuss about the steganography. The steganography is the practice of hiding information within other non-secret text or the data. Unlike cryptography, which is screamable data to make it unreadable without a uh, decryption key, and the steganography conceals the very existence of the message. It can be used to hide the data within the various media such as images, texts, audio, video, and some network protocol. So there are some types of steganography just discussed. So the first type is the text steganography. So in that we can hiding information within the text file by altering the format, like font spacing, or by adding invisible characters. For example, using the first letter of each word or sentence to spell out the hidden message. And the other type, that is image steganography, so that contains hiding information within the digital images by modifying the pixel values. The technique behind that is the least significant bit, that is also known as LSB insertion. So modifying the least significant bits of the pixel value to embedded the data. And the masking and filtering contains the hiding data in the significant area of the image to make it less detectable. And the third technique, that is transform the domain technique, that contains the embedding the data in the frequency domain of the image, such as using discrete cousin transform, that is also known as DCT coefficients. So the third technique, the third type, that is the audio steganography, like hiding the information within the audio by modifying the audio signals. Like there are some techniques like LSB coding, that is modifying the least significant bits of audio samples to embedded data. And the other technique, that is phase coding, that is embedding the data in the phase of the audio signal. And the other technique, that is echo hiding, adding some echoes to the audio signals to hide the data. And the other type, that is video steganography, hiding some information within the video files by modifying the frames or the audio tracks. The technique contains LSB and the motion vector modification. So what is motion vector modification? That is the embedding the data by altering some the motions and vectors in the compressed video streams. So the other type, that is network steganography, so that contains some hiding information within the network protocol by adding or modifying the packets header or some timing. So there are some technique like protocol steganography, that contains the embedding the data in the unused or optional fields of the protocol headers. And the other technique, that is timing channels, so modifying the timing of the packet transmission to encode some data. So let's discuss some application of steganography. The application, that is converts some communication that allows the individual or organizations to communicate secretly without raising any suspicious clue to the victim, or we can say the intruder. So the other application, that is digital watermarking, so embedded ownership or the copyright information within the digital media to protect the intellectual property like video and images. So the other application, that is authentication and integrity of verification, that embeds the checksum or the hashes within the files to verify their authenticity and integrity. So the next application, that is protecting some sensitive information, that conceals the sensitive information or sensitive data within ordinary files to protect it from like unauthorized access or intruders. So there are some examples and techniques for the steganography, like we will discuss now in the practical session. So let's see. So I have provided some tools related to the cryptography. Just go to the folder where you have saved. Just go to V9 module cryptography, and you can see there are some tools like cryptolysis tools, cryptography tools, and there are some disk encryption tool, they're like ROHOS and Heartbleed tools. And as you can see, there is MD5 hash calculator in the, and there is also a V10 module of cryptography. There are some less tool in it, so we will just see the tool related to the steganography. So I'll give a link in the description section. Just download the tool from there and just open the tool, that is image steganography, and just let it in the center. So you can add a image in this. So I will let this image here. I'll just drag and drop, and you can select the input data like files. So in files you can send malware or virus, and in text you can type any text, like I will text this is hi, this, hi there, this is anonymous. So just click on the uh, output image. So just click there and go to desktop and give any name of the image, like anything. The format will be PNG, so I will give anything like this. Just type anything and just save and click on start. So it will start encoding the embedded text in it. So it has successfully finished. And just open this, and as you can see, this is the normal image. There is no changes in it. So just I will just decode that image. So just choose the decode option here and drag and drop the image, and just click on the start button here. And as you can see, the process has finished and the text has been come. Either this is an anonymous. So this was the method of steganography. So you can see the related PDFs in the folder I have provided for the steganography. You can encrypt any malware or virus, which we will discuss in the further in the Metasploit session. So you can just make a payload from there and just insert that payload here. So thank you for watching this video.